here to do a deluxe detail for a repeat customer of mine. This is obviously a work truck. So deluxe again is wash, bug and tire removal, clean moves tires, shine tires. Well, I'm not shining enough for this one because it is a work truck. Doesn't care for it. It's gonna clean them still. And inside is, let's take a look here. Vacuum, steam clean, wipe down entire interior. It's not too bad considering, especially considering that it is a work truck. It's not a big job just because it's a big truck. So I'm gonna guesstimate around 4 hours. Or give or take 4 or 5 hours maybe. Let's take a look here. Alright, 4 hours later. All set with this deluxe detail on a work truck. Wash, wax, wheels, tires cleaned up, inside vacuum, steam clean, wipe down entire interior.